We created, we did this whole album art shoot in upstate New York in real nature locations. And while we were there, I think we had 2 shooting days and we got 7 different looks. For each one, we got also video that we could loop into GIF format or just loop into like a reverse, which still looks cool. And that's what we use for lyric videos.
Yeah.
And
the lyric videos are really cool and interesting, and it's like the June Gloom one where you're in the desert just kind of spinning.
And
it right, but you're not spinning, it's the camera. It's like it's the different.
No,
it's
it
like
is. It's me
are you
frame
actually
by
spinning?
frame.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's what's going on. Okay.
Yeah, it's just it's still photos looped.
Right,
so
right.
You go 1, 2, 3, and you get about 8 usually.
Cool.
I've been doing that since my first record. But then I stopped for Super Sunset, and then they're like, "She's spinning again."
Yeah,
it's great.
Right, and that's great. The lyric videos, they're quite compelling, which is cool, and there's not like a lot that needs to be done necessarily. It's just like they're done in an artistic way that's like captivating, even though it's just a lyric video and it's not, the full.
And I mean, this sort of relates to one of your previous questions. Those spinning GIFs. That's what I put out with Catch as my first thing, and I had a different one for Prime, which came second, and one for my song Bitch as well, which came third. And that was a way of doing something in motion on the cheap because we didn't have budget for video.
Yeah.
But I created something that was interesting and different looking and definitely captivated some people. So I think for people that don't have budgets for video, you can get creative with stuff like that. And you can also make fucking cool videos with like no money. Like sometimes better, like my Bitch video is at the 99-cent store, completely improvised on a tiny little camera attached to a shopping cart, and
amazing.
I think it's better than some of my expensive videos. So
sure,
you don't always need a big budget to make something cool.
Right. No, I mean, absolutely. It's all the videos that kind of catch and stick out and people will share and remember are the ones that are creative and sometimes innovative and it's just doing something a little bit different.
Totally.